We've now moved to another section of Gallery 3, which is called By Land and Sea. And in this collaboration, which is known as the Cartographer and the King, so we have this collaboration between a Christian king and a Muslim cartographer. And we're very fortunate to have here one of the earliest manuscripts, which is known Kitab Roger, which was lent to us by the Bodleian Library from the University of Oxford. And the story goes that King Roger II wanted to understand the world around him. So he commissioned al-Idrisi, who he knew from a long time. They grew up in the same court, they're familiar with each other, to basically draw a map for him. The remarkable thing about the map, as you can see, it's a round map. It was a silver map. Now, Idrisi worked for many years on this map. Some of the lands, of course, he knew personally, some he traveled on. Perhaps the most important thing to remember is that the map that Idrisi actually built for Roger II, which looked very much like this, was actually lost within a few years of its being commissioned. So what we are very fortunate to have worked with a foundation based in Madrid called Factum Foundation, who painstakingly took their effort and time to recreate the Idrisi map based on the knowledge which was in the Bodleian Library and other knowledge. This is certainly one of the earliest, if not the earliest, map that we know of the known world. Two things which are very striking, of course. South is on the top, north is at the bottom. And at the center of the world, you can see there is Mecca. So here's a Muslim culture and a Muslim world which is utterly confident in itself. And it shows you how far maps have moved since then. This map, dating about in the 11th century, remained the most important map there was for another 300 to 400 years until a new map was designed, which was known as the Frau Maro map, which was a European map. And gradually, the center of the world no longer became Mecca, but became Jerusalem. But for this brief period in history, we have a remarkable story of a collaboration between a Christian king and a Muslim cartographer using numbers and trying to understand again numbers in a very practical sense of not just navigation. This is a map of basically saying where is the center, who we are, and where we stand in this universe of many billions of planets and stars.